Is Dintle really unlucky in love, or is she addicted to the wrong kind of romance? On Scandal, we have seen her dive headfirst into relationships that look exciting and passionate at first, but always end in chaos, betrayal, and heartbreak. The pattern is hard to ignore. She doesn't struggle to find love, or she struggles to walk away from red flags. Instead of choosing stability, she chooses chemistry. Instead of peace, she chooses intensity. And that's where the real problem begins. Sometimes it's not about being cursed, it's about being drawn to what feels familiar, even when it's unhealthy. Dintle's story isn't just drama for TV, it mirrors real life where many people confuse sparks for compatibility and attention for commitment. So maybe the real question isn't why love keeps failing her, but why she keeps entertaining the same type of man. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please do comment your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.